Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron from Cars In today, and right now I'm in the middle of Austin, Texas. I wanted to announce some stuff, and I thought what more of a fitting place than in between a couple of skyscrapers. But yeah, I'm really in this little walkway park area. We're just gonna be walking this way. There's actually tons of lighting, and I like the little aesthetic it puts off. Hopefully I can make it to the end of the video before I get there, but we'll see. But yeah guys, so we hit 200 subscribers today, and I pretty much just wanted to thank you guys for all the continued support. You guys watching my videos, sharing my videos, liking and commenting on all my videos is what really just drives this channel to become more of itself. You know, I have a love for cars, and I'm trying to share that love of cars with you guys. So the more people who share the love of cars with me, the more I can share the love of cars with people, if that makes any sense. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for all the continued support and the support that I've had up until this moment. Is that the same thing? Who cares? But as far as news goes, I did source a 5.3 liter LS engine for swap, so we will be LS swapping the BMW. I actually have to take the Beamer to Kyle, Texas, which is about 30 minutes that way up the road, and we'll take the car there hopefully next week. And so once we take the car there, we're going to pull the M52 TU inline 6 out of the car, and then we'll get a mounting. Got to get some mounts. There's like a mounting kit, it's like $500 or whatever. So we got to get the mounts, and then we'll put the mounts in, and then we'll put the engine in, and then we got to find a transmission. I really want to do a manual swap. Obviously T56s are pretty expensive. They're like $1,100 for a T56. I'm getting the engine for free, so like that's why I say it's pretty expensive. But yeah, I'm gonna have to find a transmission in the future. I'm getting out of the Army. That's an announcement. I don't know how to say that any other way, but I'm getting out of the Army, and so I will be changing career paths here very soon, and it will actually open up a lot of my free time to stuff that I like to do, including cars. So that's pretty exciting. But yeah guys, I wanted to thank you guys for all the continued support, make a couple of announcements, and pretty much be on my way. But I hope you guys have a good day / night wherever you may find yourselves. If you guys are new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below what you guys want to see in future videos. Here's to the next 100, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.